Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I am at Magnum Global Park, which is located in Sector 58 Gurgaon, to check out the most viral restaurant owned by Kusha Kapila. And I'm here to check out this viral restaurant and see whether is it actually worth the hype or not. So name of the restaurant is Tort, which is owned by Kusha Kapila, and it's located at the Boulevard in Magnum Global Park, Sector 58, Gurgaon. So just heading there. It's a rainy day today. It's raining and the weather is really very nice. So here's a look from the inside of the Tort. So here's a quick look of their menu. You can take a screenshot and just look at the items here, and also the prices are mentioned here. So their food and their must try dishes include the floating swan dessert, which is very famous, and their variety of croissants are also very famous, and variety of risottos including the chicken risotto and their mushroom risottos again are very famous. And you should definitely try their signature salad and also their avocado toast. So we ordered both and they both were like really nice and delicious. In fact, I have also heard that their ravioli is really nice and it's like it melts into your mouth. So I did not try it, but you guys should definitely try it. And their signature cocktails are very famous, coffee based, and the mocktails and all, they are really very famous. So we just tried coffee as we came here for brunch. So the coffee was really nice. So we tried different coffees. I tried cappuccino, my friend tried different one. So you should book the your table beforehand, and also you get discount from Zomato, and other bank discounts also you get 20 around 20 to 30%, but again it depends whether you're coming on a weekday or a weekend. So yeah, just check before coming. So here comes our food, our cheesy french fries, and our signature salad is here, and it's quinoa based, and our spaghetti pasta, the pink sauce pasta, and we also ordered some hummus and pita, which was really nice and delicious. So the interiors here are so aesthetic. The decor is in deep blue and white tones, ambient lighting, and the design details that deliver a luxurious and also a very soft vibe at the same time. And it's created to be an Instagrammable experience with textured walls, contemporary furniture, and subtle music in the background. And this piano, yellow colored piano kept in the center, was like the center of the attraction. Their massive bar here was really nice and beautiful. So the place opens at around 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's open till 10 p.m. in the night. And as soon as it opened, we were here at around 12 p.m. sharp. And yeah, just showing you a walk around of this whole restaurant. This is sitting inside. So now I'm going to show their dessert bar, which is located at the rear of the restaurant over here. They also have a sitting at the rear of the restaurant, and also they have a back gate over here. You can also enter and exit from here. So this is their massive dessert bar over here. So we had a great time over here. We had nice desserts in the end, and also the food was amazing. And also, if you guys have been here, let me know in the comment section how was your experience here, and also recommend me more of such places where I can go and explore and share my experiences with you. So I hope you guys liked my vlog, and for more of such vlogs, kindly subscribe to my channel, and also like and share my video as much as you can and support me. And yeah, that's it for this vlog, and I'll see you soon in my another vlog. Also, I have recently come back from my Bali trip, so do check out my previous vlogs for the best places and cafes and places for sightseeing to explore in Bali. Also, I went to Kuala Lumpur, so yeah, do check out my previous vlogs and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day all of you. Happy Tej, and just keep smiling and keep exploring beautiful places, and thank you. So guys, we are going back. Had a great time here. This is the outside sitting. So right now it was raining heavily, so we had to sit inside. Otherwise, when the weather is nice, you can sit here outside, enjoy the weather, and perfect sitting outside. So that's it guys. See you. Bye bye.